Hi everybody, this is Tina and I'm here with hashtag Jelly Postcard Play, hosted by Jerry Griffins. And today is day 9. And what I did is I just took a bunch of little stickers that I had left over from different sticker sheets, and I kind of just did a collage. So of course it's my background, and I did some little dotted, and I have a rainbow and a flower, a cactus. This says smile. It says glitter is my favorite color, smile. And it says donut worry, so I have a donut. Got a cactus and a little balloon and a half a donut emoji, ice cream cone. Except I think I put my ice cream cone in the wrong direction. Oh, there, look at that. Look, I turned that around. I did put it in the wrong direction. My bad. There we go. That's fixed. And half a donut, I think. Yeah. But there is day 9. These are fun. So I will add it to my box. And I'm going upside down. Oop, I got a number missing. Oh, there's my 9. See, I wrote that in this morning because I was like, wait a minute, where is my 9? Found my 9. There we go. There we go, and I'm adding it to my box. So I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Day 9.